So when food cravings and nostalgia hit you together, it's time to create something really delicious at home. Today we're making the Monte Cristo Sandwich. A Monte Cristo sandwich is a batter-fried sandwich with ham and cheese, and it's topped with a sprinkling of powdered sugar and served with raspberry preserves or jam. It's absolutely delicious. If you've ever had it, you'll know what I'm talking about, and if you haven't, you must try this. You'll be pleasantly surprised. So let's see how to make a good Monte Cristo sandwich at home. First, we're going to prepare our batter. For this, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, 1.5 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Now the sugar really is necessary in the batter. It balances all the flavors, so please don't skip it. And we're adding 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. Now many recipes call for milk, but please try buttermilk as I make them. It really creates a delicious batter. And we're adding 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You want to stir the batter till it's nice and smooth. As you can see, we have a nice thick batter. That's what we're looking for. Also stir in 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we have sandwich slices that can be ham, turkey, or chicken, or a combination. And we have Swiss cheese or cheese of your preference. Usually we use Swiss cheese. We're using natural cheese slices here. And you can use any type of bread, but sturdy, large, square, white slices of bread for sandwich is the best. So for each sandwich, you need 2 slices of cheese and 3 slices of ham. You lay on the cheese first, and then comes the ham, another slice of cheese, and then the next slice of bread. And to secure the sandwich, we're going to insert these skewers or toothpicks at an angle. You can insert 3 or 4 per sandwich so that they stay together while they're being fried. Now we're going to dip them in the batter. Make sure they're thoroughly coated on all sides. And you don't want to leave the sandwich in the batter for too long. It will get soggy. By now we should have our oil for frying ready. And let's fry our sandwiches. So usually these sandwiches are deep fried, but I'm sort of going to shallow fry them. Place the sandwich on a rack for just an instant so as to let some of the batter drip off. Make sure the oil is hot enough so that you have a nice sizzle, but not too hot so that the batter gets burnt quickly. Now gently, we're going to lay the sandwich into the oil. Now this doesn't take very long. You'll see the sandwich browns up nice and quick. Once one side is golden, you can turn it over. I like mine a little golden brown. So we fry both sides. And we also fry the sides. And lay this on some kitchen paper towel for a while to absorb the excess oil. Repeat with the next sandwiches. So for this amount of batter, you can make 3 Monte Cristo sandwiches and a 4th one with slightly less coating of batter. Once you've fried your sandwiches, you want to cut them into wedges. I like to cut them into 4 wedges. Nice bite size, and don't forget to take out the toothpicks. And we're going to lightly dust them with some powdered sugar. It might sound strange, but that sprinkling of sugar really does go well with all the flavors in there. And we serve this with some raspberry preserve or any kind of jam that you like. It's been heated. You can either drizzle some of the preserve over the sandwiches, or you can just dunk them in there. The Monte Cristo sandwiches are absolutely delicious and make an excellent snack once in a while. Everyone, from kids to adults, they all love these sandwiches. So I hope you give it a try. And please let us know what kind of additions and variations you like in your Monte Cristo sandwich. Thanks for watching. Bye.